Yup.
I gotta go back for that catfish.
Yup.
Yeah.
They know what they doing.
Wow.
They know what they doing in there. Ready? What you just do with
Did I
it?
drop it?
It's the yellow.
Men wanted her, but look, I got her. Don't worry, that was just Cupid that shot ya. Fall back, my nigga, you lost your spot, bruh. And shouts.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to another video, man. Today we got some good eats at the crib, though. Doing something different. We're not in the car today. Can y'all please like, comment, and subscribe? Do the whole 9 if you don't mind. You wouldn't please tap in.
I didn't know if you were gonna do it. I didn't want to like embarrass
I do
myself.
it every time.
Okay. We'll see.
Yeah, but today we got some good chicken and fish today from King Aces, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna put it up.
Things
on
like
the
King
video.
Ace's chicken and fish or fish and chicken.
That's a fact.
Oh my goodness.
We got the 2-seater. All the sodas in there. We good. Gotta be.
Right here.
Oh, good looks. Ooh, I got scared. Okay, yeah, we got the 2-seater though. It come with 2 pieces of catfish, 12 wings, some fries, some 2 rolls, 2 sodas, and
We
2
don't need it.
cakes.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah. And 2 cakes, all for like $40, which is not bad. It's a nice hefty meal with
Oh, and then I got coleslaw.
coleslaw and beans and all that.
I think I'm a little container.
On me, which is hard.
I ain't never seen that before.
It's too hard.
Dang, it's so many. Oh,
sauce
tartar
is it?
sauce. Wait, that might be ranch. I'm gonna be very upset if this is not tartar sauce. This looks like ranch.
Tartar sauce.
Really? No tartar sauce?
Hot sauce.
Who doesn't put tartar sauce when they have fish? The only dislike so far. I'm a little upset.
That's tough. But it looked fine so far though. So we don't see.
You got a good sauce.
We're gonna dive in. Oh God, no, I got sauce right here though.
I want to see lemon pepper sauce. That's what I'm saying. You thought that was sauce? Beans. Oh.
The sweet heat and lemon pepper. Yeah, you
Be
drove.
quiet.
You drove.
What did I say?
But yeah, let's dig in. I already tried the fries already. They a little
soft.
They're a little
They
soft.
should have cooked them a
Next
little
time,
longer.
we probably gotta ask for that though.
Yeah. No.
Hard fry.
But this is not a normal fry to me.
But maybe,
Unless when it
maybe
was
to them,
fresh.
It was like a
Maybe
little
when
bit
it was
crispy.
fresh though, it was crispy.
I don't think so.
No? Okay.
But it's still warm.
Yeah.
I'm just saying that.
They were going for Wingstop.
That's what I'm saying.
Go.
That's what I'm saying. They were trying to go for Wingstop.
Yeah.
So I think if you ask for a little bit more crispier, it's gonna be just like
You know, yeah. Yeah. But I shouldn't have to ask.
Yeah.
Like a normal crisp. They're very seasoned.
Very.
There's special seasoning us on there.
Just like lemon pepper on it.
Yeah, but I can't tell what the other little flavor is. It's something else.
Now lemon pepper you?
Yeah, but it's something else on there. Maybe I'm tripping. Anywho, we need to start these wings in this. Well, let's start with the fish because I'm very hungry.
Let's go with the fish.
Put mine on there. Oh, you can just half it. Oh, okay. Fish 3P.
It don't matter.
Can I get that one?
You want this one?
You know, I love fish.
What's wrong with that one? And this one?
You gonna give me both of those?
Yeah.
What's up? What else is in there?
That's it.
Oh, okay, okay. It's like my little skimp, and you got the beautiful one. I'm mad about this tartar sauce. I'm not gonna lie. Aren't you mustard? See, there are mustard and hot sauce type of feel in there. Cause I see some mustard.
It is?
Yes.
Where is that? Oh, in the package?
They ain't messing
let me
with
get
the white
that.
side of me.
Let me get that. Let me get that hot sauce. Say less. You ready to try it though? Regular?
I'm gonna getting some of that too.
Okay,
yeah.
fine. Ready?
We didn't even pray.
We didn't pray. Come on. That's good. That's great. Let's take more food. Amen.
Yeah.
It's hitting though.
Well, I got a thin piece, so I need to get a thicker piece.
Oh.
But it is crunchy,
Nice and crunchy. And fluffy.
flavorful.
Very flavorful.
Well, yours is. I should be able to try a piece of yours because yours is fluffier than mine. You see how little mine is? You gonna do me like that for real? I don't think you're gonna do me like that for real. I know you. You ain't gonna do me like that for real.
Oh no.
A little piece. That's all I'm saying. Thank you.
I didn't say the whole thing. I'm just playing it out.
Okay, I thought so. See, this is a thicker one.
Yup.
I gotta go back for that catfish.
Yup.
Yeah.
They know what they doing.
Wow.
They know what they doing in there. That's a
It's
fact.
okay for not having my tartar sauce now, because they don't even need tartar sauce. Oh my god.
It's fish the truth. That's flavorful.
Oh my god.
It's fire in it.
You had some bread out?
And they on Daisy Bates. So we're on Daisy Bates, right by
Can't miss it.
if y'all know where that Philander is, it's right down the street from Philander. It's going crazy. Which y'all wing. It's fire.
Stuff in this catfish for y'all.
This wing
You already know what I want to try first.
lemon pepper.
Yep.
On flat.
Of course. You know me. Right there. Ooh. Did they not give us pork? Yes. Hold on, I gotta try this coleslaw. I love coleslaw. Give me 1 second.
Let me
It's
see.
a little watery. What?
Is there another spoon in
Not really digging the coleslaw.
there? Coleslaw not hidden.
It's not as crunchy as I like it.
Yeah.
It is watery.
We ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. We real foodies. We really do eat. Let me try these beans.
Yeah. It's a little.
Bean cold as hell. Yeah, damn.
Yours.
They good though. Gotta warm them up. I don't like cold beans.
Very much room temperature.
Past that.
To me, it's room
Throw
temperature.
it in the freezer. Refrigerator. Let's get into it. Good chicken. We're gonna try it dry, then we're gonna try it wet.
Oh yeah. I don't like wet like that.
Oh, okay, bet I'll do the wet.
But I'm gonna do the wet too. I want to try it.
You ready? 2, 3.
Very much crispy. Oh my god, so flavorful. I'm impressed.
Listen, y'all.
Chicken King, I'm sorry. I don't like you no more.
I'm not even a lemon pepper guy. This the best. Yes, I am. This is the best lemon pepper I done ever had. No cap. And everybody know I hate lemon pepper. These
Very
are
good.
facts. I eat this.
Very, very flavorful.
The sauce.
You tried it without me? Supposed to do it together.
I tell you when we want.
I said I'm still eat.
The sauce.
Mmm. Hot sauce mixed with some lemon pepper and some other stuff, I'm sure.
Yeah, they the truth. I ain't gonna lie.
Like, I thought Chicken King had the best hot lemon pepper and stuff. No.
They
Their wings be so skimp.
didn't touch it though. Chicken King do be tripping with the little wing
Yeah,
though.
little bitty wing, bite size.
They fine though, but ready for this one?
No,
That one was good. Good Lord, this food good. Try on the fry. Oh! Yeah. Yeah. Y'all tap in, man. Black owned. Cool people in there. Had good conversation in there. Great customer service and all that. This food fire.
I'm sure I'm getting thirsty. Catfish for Jesus.
Let's try the other chicken.
Can't help myself. Love me a good catfish.
You ain't lying. This look fire.
Got peppers
I
on
wish
it,
I
fresh
could
peppers
see
on
it.
it.
We're not even showing the camera, the
Ooh,
food,
oopsie.
the camera.
Oopsie.
Ah, that's that lemon pepper. You probably can't even see it though. It
I
look
got a
dark.
little bit in the... Oh, there we go.
There we go. Yeah.
Zoom
That's
in
funny.
on that. Excuse me.
Ready? What you just do with
Should I
it?
drop it?
It's the yellow.
Is it I knew it was so warm. I'm like, what? Why am I warm? Sorry, I would have been indulged in some drinks, some adult activities.
Yeah, we've been drinking. That's hilarious.
Oh,
All on your sweater.
no way. No way. Oh. Let me hurry up.
You ready?
I don't want this to stain. Yes.
1, 2,
Let's
3.
see. It's a little wet. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Good flavor, but I wish it was crunchier, but it's wet.
I got you.
You know?
Yeah. But it's sweet heat though, so yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Ooh.
Yeah.
That heat done kicked in. Wow.
This is fire, bro.
Yeah.
No cap. My goodness, they doing their thing. That's sweet heat. Fire.
That's very strong. Like, so if you like more sweet than heat, I wouldn't get those. Jumbo's gonna be on fire. My mom tried one of these.
Oh yeah.
She be sick.
Both of them.
Keita?
I'm talking about them too.
Oh yeah.
This is good though. It is hot though.
Ooh, that's spicy. But I like spicy, so I'm not tripping. But
Yeah.
so done on the fries.
I can't slow down.
I'm gonna need you to give me some.
You finna go.
Lemon pepper going crazy though.
Yeah, this is fine. This is fish fire.
I love lemon
this is-
pepper. You hear that crunch of that catfish?
My goodness. Listen.
The lemon pepper? Elevated it.
Oh my goodness.
Not elevated, and you talk about elevations today.
Oh, that's funny. This food is fire, y'all. No boost.
I think that was a connection.
Yeah. It was.
Okay. Which one is that?
Beautiful. Sweet heat. Lemon pepper. Just kind of
I'm saying, which one is that? Is that the lemon pepper one?
sweet heat.
That is very good.
Yeah. These are delicious. We still got
I
to
would
try
definitely
cakes.
go back.
I forgot about that.
Oh yeah, so we'll finish the rest of this after.
Yeah.
Another piece of my catfish though.
Try them cakes. Almost forgot. This is good. How long we been recording? Is that 14 minutes? That's so long.
We're at 14:30 something. Is it long?
Not too long.
Yeah.
My goodness.
I know I shouldn't be licking my hands like this, but woo! Yes, I want to go back and get some more catfish. That's
a
that
fact.
good.
Good little paper towel. I know my face probably dirty.
A little bit. You got little crumbs everywhere.
Cake, come here now.
My cup.
We got 2 sock it to me cakes. B.
That's what the spoon was for.
Probably. Don't want no bean residue on that thing, you know what I'm saying? I might have to warm mine up. You know, I like a warm cake, not a.
So I have to wait. Oh.
No, it's not. It might be better to be warm. That's what I'm saying.
Have I had one of these before? I don't know.
Leave mine warm, but it is good though, y'all.
It's very good.
Okay. It ain't like it's
It
dry.
ain't dry?
It ain't dry, but I just like warm cake.
If I had one of these, it wasn't like this.
That's good. Okay.
It's so nice. I'm so happy with the... Dang. Couldn't get it out. I'm so happy we went here. I'm glad you found it.
Facts. I was just on Google, y'all. Scrolling looking for good places to eat. This mug popped up. I was like, oh, that food look good. And I just wanted to go.
Far away from the food. Excuse me.
Yeah, this is. See, y'all, this is fire. We're gonna have to end this. I don't know, we finna tear this up.
Big one.
So check me out. Can y'all please? That's a big ass win. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Please.
This is free. You know what I'm saying?
Easy. And it's entertaining.
Very
It's fun.
entertaining. This was hilarious. Please like, comment, subscribe, do the whole 9 if you don't know. Ooh, if you don't mind. Oh man. And we gonna tap back in for
Wonderful.
the win. We gonna tap back in for the win. See y'all next video. Peace out.
These niggas Stevie cause they cannot see me. Don't trip on no nigga cause that shit is creepy. I'm on their ass when Jim throw the pass. I run it back, I'm feeling like Tiki. I'm playing the game, but I'm not Luigi. Live like I'm rich.